Hello everyone, today I would like to teach you this fantastic stitch that's called popcorn stitch and or puff stitch. There are several names and I will show you the two ways how to make it. So the number of double crochet in the popcorn depends as the volume you want. So here I just have a row of single crochet. I can chain one and to show clearly, let's do one thing. So it means that in one stitch you put several double crochet. I will put 5. So yarn over, pull through 2. You have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. You have 3 loops, so you have already 2 from the same stitch. Into the same stitch you must put another one. You have 4 and another one, 5. So here and the 6. And now you have to pull through all of them and chain 1. And here is the popcorn stitch. Now we can single crochet here. So that's how it looks like. And the next one I show you the second way of making that. So 1 double crochet, another one into the same stitch, and like that we will put 5 double crochet. 3, 4 and 5. 5 double crochet. Now we have to find the very first double crochet, insert the hook here, so you have the first double crochet, the loop, yarn over and pull through both. This is the other way. So either you like the first way or the second way, it's fine. You can use actually any of these ways, and there are probably other ways of making this popcorn stitch. So the one you prefer you can always use, or you make a cluster of 5 or just 5 double crochet and connect into one. Thanks for watching, see you next time.